Welcome to Learn English Smoothly.
Do you want to eat something? Yes, I am feeling a bit hungry. Do you want to cook dinner tonight? Yes, I love cooking. Do you want to visit the park? Yes, I'd love to visit the park. Do you want to drink some water? Yes, please. Do you want to go shopping? Sure, I'd love to. Do you want to go for a walk? Sure, I'd love to. Do you want to watch a movie tonight? Yes, that's a great idea. Do you want to go swimming? No, I'm not a strong swimmer. Do you want to come over for coffee? I'd love to, but I'm busy right now.